up, guys? It's Official Anarchy. Yeah, boy. I'm back with another one. I know I missed a week, and I posted a video a little late. Honestly, don't even remember what I talked about in that video right now. I do have some new news, I guess. I got some new cubes. I don't remember if I think I might have mentioned it in the last video I posted, but I got a Bluetooth cube, and also got a Gecko Mix, which is a 12-sided cube with 5 layers. So it's like if you've ever seen a 12-sided dice, it looks like that. And there's 5 layers on each of the face sides of the face, I guess. 5 rows. I don't know how to explain it, but it's pretty dope. I haven't solved it yet or figured out how to solve it, but I will eventually do that. I actually got like the cores of it solved, but now I gotta figure out the last like layers of it, which seems to feel like it's gonna be some fun. Other news: my son wants to do Boy Scouts, technically Cub Scouts because he's still in 2nd grade, and I guess it's Cub Scouts from kindergarten to 5th, and then from there on it's Boy Scouts or something. Yeah, he asked to do Boy Scout summons and signing him up for that. And what else? I officially shortened my chain because it was hella loose, and I can almost pull that thing off. Oh my god, I almost stalled like a doofus. But yeah, I guess other news, I'm doing this thing at my church called Courageous, which is a men's group on Mondays. I get to go chill with some cool dudes and talk about God and whatnot, you know. Pretty cool. And then Tuesdays I'm doing it's called Marriage Life, which is a church group with my wife on Tuesdays, and that one's pretty cool. You know, it's bringing me around people that I probably honestly would not have chilled or hung out with outside of church, like if I've ever seen them outside of church. I probably would not see myself hanging out with them, but you know, it's cool connecting and whatnot. What else? I was again doing anything else. Whatever. I guess that's it, guys. This will be a real short video. I think it was only like 5 minutes, maybe. I honestly don't know what time I started it, but till next time. Well, this is I guess I'll add this too. Whoa, slow down, boy. I'll probably just switch to instead of doing every week, because I don't do much other than work. I'll probably switch to doing it once every two weeks, every other week or so, and see how that goes, because I don't really do much, so I don't really have much to talk about every week. Anyway, bye. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. For those who do watch, thank you. Bye.